an interactive learning space. Children, as we proceed with the lesson, whenever I pose in questions, please answer them. This will help you in the learning process. Also, please don't forget to have the writing materials with you whenever you watch these videos. And after you watch, please subscribe, like and share the videos. In today's video, we are going to understand about triangles part 2. I hope you all have not missed out watching triangle part 1, children. In case you have, please get back, watch it and then please watch triangles part 2. This will help you to have the continuity, children. So let's get started. Children, in the last video, we understood an important concept about two polygons to be similar and in very important condition, two conditions. Let us quickly recap that. Yes, two polygons are similar if and only if the corresponding angles of the two polygons are equal and the corresponding sides of the two polygons are proportional. This was the concept that we had understood. Since we are going to study in particular about triangles, let us extend the same concept to the triangles, children. So, we have two triangles are similar if and only if the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal and the corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional. This is one thing that you should bear in mind, children. So going further, whenever we try to prove if two triangles are similar, we have to look for the corresponding angles to be equal and the corresponding sides to be proportional. We already know how to identify the corresponding angles. The equal angles are the corresponding angles. We have understood that. Now, let us understand how to identify the corresponding sides of two similar triangles, children. Children, here we have got two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The equal angles are indicated here. Angle A is equal to angle P is indicated by marking a single arc there. Similarly, angle C is equal to angle R is indicated by marking two arcs there. And angle B is equal to angle Q is indicated by marking three arcs. So we know that these two triangles are similar now. Okay, children, now we have to identify the corresponding sides. So first we identify the equal angle. Angle A is equal to angle P. And then we look for the side opposite to these two equal angles, children. Those two sides are the corresponding sides. Okay, children, the sides opposite to equal angles are the corresponding sides. Accordingly, which is the side opposite to angle A? Yes, BC. And which is the side opposite to angle P? QR. So, we say BC is corresponding to QR. Is it clear, children? The side BC and the side QR are the corresponding sides. Similarly, we have angle C is equal to angle R. Okay. So, which is the side opposite to angle C? AB. And which is the side opposite to angle R? PQ. So, we say AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. Is it clear, children? Now, finally, we have angle B equal to angle Q. Which is the side opposite to angle B? AC. And which is the side opposite to angle Q? PR. So, we say AC and PR are the corresponding sides. Is it clear, children? This is how we identify the corresponding sides. We look for that pair of angles which are equal and the side opposite to these two equal pairs are the corresponding sides. Let us try to identify the corresponding sides with another pair of triangle, children. Here we have got two triangles again, ABC and PQR. The equal angles are indicated. So let us write the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides for these two triangles. The corresponding angles are angle A is equal to angle R. That means A and R are corresponding. Similarly, B and P are corresponding. Angle B and angle P are corresponding. And so also angle C and angle Q are corresponding. Now we have to identify the corresponding sides. We have to look for the sides opposite to the equal angles. Let us first consider angle A and angle R. Which is the side opposite to angle A? BC. And which is the side opposite to angle R? PQ. So, we can say that BC and PQ are corresponding sides. Okay. Next, look for angle B. Side opposite to angle B is AC and the side opposite to P is QR. So, we have AC and QR as the corresponding sides. And finally, we have angle C equal to angle Q. The side opposite to C is AB and the side opposite to Q is PR. So, we have AB and PR as the corresponding sides. Clear, children? This is how we identify the corresponding angles and corresponding sides. A very important concept that you should understand clearly before we proceed with this lesson, children. Clear? So, whenever we have got two triangles that are got angles equal, we call them as equiangular triangles, children. So, these are some of the terms that we will be using often. The two triangles that have equal angles are known as equiangular triangles. So, with this concept, let us get further to understand what is the relation between the corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles. For that, we have an activity, children. Okay, so for that, you need to have a ruled sheet of paper. On a ruled sheet of paper, we will do this activity. Clear? So, take a ruled sheet of paper and with a pencil, please draw a triangle on this sheet. Okay, I will tell you how to draw. Draw the base along any of the lines that is already there in this ruled sheet of paper, children. Okay, I am drawing it slowly so that you will also do it along with me here. Okay, so in case you don't have the material, please pause the video and then complete this activity before you proceed. Clear? This is very important that you do this activity on your own. Okay, from the ends of these of this line segment, please complete the triangle. Let us complete the triangle. Just draw any line from one of the end. Okay, so that you will get a triangle. Not necessarily it has to be in this shape. Any shape you can draw it. Okay, after you have completed it, let us name this triangle as A, B and C. Please name it the way I have indicated so that it will be easy for you to follow the instructions, children. Okay, and then you draw any line PQ along one of the lines again there. Okay, as I have drawn here, something like this. Clear? It must be on a line that you already have on your sheet of paper. So, we'll name that as PQ. Okay, the idea of doing it so that you will get PQ parallel to BC. Okay, children. So, this is the only idea so that you will quickly get two lines that are parallel by drawing it on a ruled sheet of paper. That is the intention. So, with this, we have angle APQ equal to angle ABC. They are the corresponding angles with PQ parallel to BC and AB as the transversal. Similarly, we have angle Q equal to angle C being corresponding angles now with AC as the transversal. Okay, but now we have got two triangles, children, angle APQ and ABC, isn't it? We have got two triangle APQ and ABC with two angles already equal, and the third angle, angle A, is common to both. So we can say that these two triangles are equiangular triangles. Angle ABC and triangle APQ are equiangular triangles. What are we trying to find? Is there any relationship between the corresponding sides? Is what we want. Okay. So we will identify the corresponding sides. Is it clear, children? Which is the side opposite to angle B, AC, and side opposite to AP, AQ. So AC and AQ are the corresponding sides. We'll find out this ratio AC by AQ by measuring AC and AQ. Measure AC, measure AQ, and find out this value AC by AQ, children. Is it clear? Now we will take the other two angles. Angle C. The side opposite to angle C is AB and the side opposite to angle Q is AP. So we will find out the measure of AB by AP. Measure AB and measure AP. Find out this value AB by AP. Is it clear, children? Any confusion? No. We are only trying to identify the equal angles and find the ratio of their corresponding side. Okay, children? Now, in the same triangle, draw another line RS as I have indicated, somewhere else. Okay? So, now RS becomes parallel to BC and we have got angle R equal to angle B and angle S equal to angle C. Again, we will try to find the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, so we will find out AC by AS. The side opposite to angle B is AC and the side opposite to angle R is AS. Measure AC, measure AS, find out this value AC by AS. So also we have angle S is equal to angle C. Okay, the side opposite to C is AB and the side opposite to angle S is AR. So we find out this ratio AB by AR. Is it clear, children? Fine. Now we have got two sets of triangles, isn't it? So in the first one, we found out the value of AC by AQ and the value of AB by AP. What did you find, children? Yes, you would have got that to be equal, isn't it? And similarly, when you found out AC by AS and AB by AR, you found out those two ratios also to be equal. So what did we do? We identified two equiangular triangles and we found out the ratio of the corresponding sides, isn't it? And what did we conclude? Yes, it is equal. So this gives us another important concept, children. The ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles is always the same. Is it clear, children? Suppose you have got two triangles in which the corresponding angles are equal. That means the two are similar. Okay. And then when you try to find the ratio of the two corresponding sides, they will always be the same. That is, they will be equal. So we use this concept to work out a few problems. Shall we do that, children? Yes. Okay, here we have got a figure in which we have AC parallel to BD and the measurements of a few sides is given. You are asked to find the length of PA and PC. So whenever you are asked to find the length and you have got two triangles, children, you must find out if which are the angles that are equal in each. The equiangles. Okay. So we have got triangle APC and triangle PBD here. In these two triangles, we should identify the equal angles. Okay. As soon as we see this, we can make out that this angle APC and BPT are vertically opposite angles, children. Okay, so we will write down that from triangle APC and DPB, we have angle APC equal to angle DPB. We indicate it in the figure by marking it, and we write it here along with the reason. Angle APC is equal to angle DPB. Reason is vertically opposite angle. One angle we have got. We have to get at least one more. If you get two angles equal, the third one automatically becomes equal, and the two triangles will be equiangular triangles, children. The other clue is sometimes you might have a parallel lines indicated as it is indicated here. So whenever there are parallel lines, you should look for some corresponding angles or alternate angles. Here we can see a Z form. Z or N form, when you see, immediately you can know that the angles that are made there will all be alternate angles that we have studied and understood in the lower classes, isn't it, children? So we have angle CAP equal to angle DBP, that is angle PAC equal to PBD, which are alternate angles. So once we get the two, the third one automatically becomes angle. So we have angle PCA equal to angle PDB. Is it clear, children? So we have identified equal angles here. So the two triangles can be said to be equiangular triangles. Okay, children. So triangle APC and DPB are equiangular triangles. Just now we have understood a property about equiangular triangles with respect to their corresponding sides. So what is that? The corresponding sides are proportional. That is, the ratio of the corresponding sides will always be the same, isn't it? The ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. So we will write the corresponding sides and we will equate each of them. Okay, children. So for that, what do? We have to consider the equal angles. So first we will consider angle APC equal to angle DPB. Now, we have to look for the side opposite to these two equal angles. Which is the side opposite to angle APC? AC. And which is the side opposite to angle DPB? DP. So we will write this ratio AC by DP. All the ratios are going to be equal, isn't it? So we will write the equal to sign and we will consider the next ratio. So for that we consider the next angle. Angle PAC equal to PBD. Which is the side opposite to PAC? PC. And which is the side opposite to PBD? PD. So what will we write now? Yes, PC by PD. One thing that you should notice, I have written here triangle APC and DPB. So I am writing all the parameters of APC here on the left hand side and that of DPB on the right hand side. And when I write the ratio, all parameters with respect to APC in the numerator and all parameters with respect to DPB in the denominator. This systematic way of writing you should follow, children. Don't mix them. Okay, if you mix, you will not get the correct ratio. Okay, all of one triangle must be in the numerator, another triangle must be in the denominator. For example, I cannot write here AC by BD equal to PD by PC. It has to be PC by PD. Please note that, children, be careful when you are writing it. Is it clear? Next, we will consider angle PCA equal to PDB, which is a side opposite to PCA, AP, and the side opposite to PDB is PB. Over, children. If you have done so much, you will get full marks now. Actually, primarily is the problem zeroes down to identify equal angles. Somehow you have to identify equal angles by considering such factors like vertically opposite angles, or it could be corresponding angles, or it could be alternate angles, something like that you will have. Okay, identify them. Once you do that, you must be able to write this ratio. Ratio is very easy. Identify the side opposite to each of those angles and write the ratio. And later on, it is very easy. You have to only substitute. Okay, children. Now, looking at this, we want to find out the value of PA and PC. You can see here, children, PC and PA. They are there in two different ratio. So, what we can do, we can take two ratio at a time. See here, this first ratio, we know both the parameters AC and BD. So, we will consider the first ratio and the second ratio. So, here out of the four factors, we know three parameters. One has to be found out, which is very easy. You have to now only simply substitute and simplify. This is lower class mathematics. So we will consider AC by BD equal to PC by PD. Okay, substitute. We are given the value of AC as 3.6, BD as 2.4, PC we need to find, and PD is 4. Okay, on simplification you will get PC equal to 6 centimeter. Please don't forget to write the units always whenever you are asked to find the length. Okay, next we will consider the first and the last ratio. AC by BD equal to AP by PB. Again, substitute all the parameters that you know. AP we do not know. We leave it as it is. And then we will simplify this. We get AP equal to 4.8 centimeter. That's all, children. So here the primarily you have to know to identify equal angles. After identify equal angles, identify the corresponding sides and write their ratio. The concept that we have used here is equiangular triangles. The ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. So this is the concept we have used to find out the length of PA and PC. Let us work out one more problem, children. Here we have got a triangle ABC in which XY is parallel to BC, and we are given the measurements of AX and BX. We are asked to find out the ratio of AY by AC. Clearly, since XY is parallel to BC, angle X is equal to angle B and angle Y is equal to angle C. Angle A is common. Therefore, the two triangles AXY and ABC are equiangular triangles. Now we have to find the corresponding sides. Okay, so we have AY as the corresponding side to X and AC as the corresponding side to B. Similarly, we have AX as the corresponding side to Y and AB as the corresponding side with respect to C. So let us write the ratio now. AY by AC, small triangle over big triangle, is equal to AX by AB. Okay, we want AY by AC. So AY by AC is equal to AX value is given to you. How much is that? 3. And AB, is it known? No, it's not given directly. It is given indirectly in the sense AB is equal to AX plus BX. That is 3 plus 1.5, which is 4.5. So we substitute the value of AX as 3 and AB as 4.5. On simplification, we get the ratio of AY by AC as 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? So we use to find the length of sides or the ratio using this concept that in equiangular triangles the sides are equal. Is it clear, children? So with this, we will end the video for today's class. And before that, we will just recap on what we have learned today. We learned the condition for similar triangles, for two triangles to be similar. That is similarity of two triangles. The condition is the corresponding angles must be equal and the corresponding sides must be proportional. Next, we went on to identify the corresponding sides of two equiangular triangles. How do we identify the corresponding sides? By identifying the equal angles and looking at the side opposite to these equal sides will give us the corresponding sides. And then we learned that the ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles is always the same. And with that, we worked out a few problems. Okay, children, please understand these concepts before we watch the next video. And as usual, I have got an assignment for you as well. Okay, we have got a triangle here in which DE is parallel to BC. This is DE, children. forgotten to mark it. DE is parallel to BC, and you have to find out EC. Please do this, and we will discuss about this in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. We will meet soon with triangles part 3.